Point out. To show or tell someone something important. I need to point out that you're wrong about that. Point out. To show or tell someone something important. She pointed out a cafe nearby. Pick out. To choose. Let's pick out a place to eat. Pick out. To choose. I can't decide, so can you pick out a color for me? Show up. To arrive at a place. He didn't even bother to show up. Show up. To arrive at a place. She finally showed up after an hour. Stick to. To continue doing something without changing it. I'll stick to my decision, even if it's hard. Stick to. To continue doing something without changing it. You should stick to what you know best. Back down. To stop arguing or fighting and agree with the other person. She didn't want to back down, but she knew he was right. Back down. To stop arguing or fighting and agree with the other person. She backed down after realizing she was wrong. Work through. To fix or deal with something step by step. It's a difficult situation, but we'll work through it. Work through. To fix or deal with something step by step. We need to work through our disagreement. Run out. To use all of something. I'm running out of energy, let's take a break. Run out. To use all of something. We're running out of food, let's order pizza. Set up. To arrange or prepare something. I'll set up a time for us to talk. Set up. To arrange or prepare something. He's setting up a new social media account. Tear up. To rip something into pieces. I accidentally tore up my favorite shirt. Tear up. To rip something into pieces. Don't tear up that paper, we still need it. In for. To be about to experience something, usually something good or bad. I'm in for a walk in the park later. In for. To be about to experience something, usually something good or bad. I'm in for whatever you're in for. Into. To enter or move into a place. He walked into the room and sat down. Into. To enter or move into a place. I'm just not into going out tonight. Vouch for. To say that something is true or correct because you know it well. I can vouch for his honesty, he always tells the truth. Vouch for. To say that something is true or correct because you know it well. I'm sure you'll like it, I can vouch for it. Take over. To take control of something. Don't let this issue take over your life. Take over. To take control of something. Don't let this issue take over your life. End up. To finally be in a place or situation, often unexpectedly. We were supposed to go there, but we ended up at the mall. End up. To finally be in a place or situation, often unexpectedly. I was just going to check my email, but I ended up watching videos for 2 hours. Side with. To support or agree with someone or something. I always side with my friends when they need help. Side with. To support or agree with someone or something. Don't expect me to side with him. Carry out. To do or complete a task or activity. He carried out his plan perfectly. Carry out. To do or complete a task or activity. The company will carry out a thorough investigation into the incident. Sort out. To organize or fix a problem. Let me sort this out for you. Sort out. To organize or fix a problem. I'll sort it out with her tomorrow. Make out. To see, hear, or understand something with difficulty. I couldn't make out what he said because of the noise. Make out. To see, hear, or understand something with difficulty. It was hard to make out his handwriting. Cut out. To remove something or stop doing something. I had to cut out junk food to get healthier. Cut out. To remove something or stop doing something. She decided to cut out toxic people from her life. Take apart something. To separate something into its parts or pieces. They took apart the car engine to find the issue. Take apart something. To separate something into its parts or pieces. Don't take apart my personal life in front of others. Roll around. To come or happen. I get excited when the weekend rolls around. Roll around. To come or happen. When my favorite show rolls around on TV, I never miss it. Stand against. To oppose something or someone. I will stand against any unfair treatment. Stand against. To oppose something or someone. I can't stand against her opinion, it's too strong. Knock off. To stop working for the day. I don't knock off until 7. Knock off. To stop working for the day. Let's knock off early today. Head into. To enter a place or situation. We're heading into a busy week at work. Head into. To enter a place or situation. Let's head into the cafe for a coffee. Hold over. To postpone or delay something. The decision will be held over until next month. Hold over. To postpone or delay something. We'll hold over the event until everyone is available. Get rid of. To throw away or dispose of. I want to get rid of these shoes. Get rid of. To throw away or dispose of. It's time to get rid of those old emails in my inbox. Get by on. To manage with a limited amount of something. We're getting by on a tight budget this month. Get by on. To manage with a limited amount of something. I can get by on just a few hours of sleep. Ward off. To prevent something unpleasant from happening or affecting you. Drinking water helps ward off headaches. Ward off. To prevent something unpleasant from happening or affecting you. They planted herbs around the house to ward off insects. Get round. To avoid or solve a problem. He's been busy but will get round to calling you soon. Get round. To avoid or solve a problem. Did you get round to watching the new movie? Rely on. To depend on someone or something for support. Can I rely on you to be there? Rely on. To depend on someone or something for support. You can rely on this information, it's well researched.